Mr. Javed Ahmed Ghamidi, is one of the greatest scholar of Islam. This is an attempt to unofficially translate his video, from Urdu language to English. It is not a word-for-word translation, but an attempt to paraphrase, preserving the intended meaning of his message. The link to his original video, and his official website, is in the comments section below. Question from audience. It is difficult to comprehend that Allah would punish a human for eternity when a mistake is committed for a limited period of time in this world. Answer by Javed Ahmed Ghamidi. What I have understood from the Qur'an regarding this matter, I have explained in my book, Mizan, in the argument over the last day, that heaven is in Allah's promise. Allah states in the Qur'an that He will not break any of His promise. When Allah states that heaven is my promise, then it means it will be there for eternity. It has been clearly stated in Surah Ar-Ra'd, that this is my blessing that will never end. This is Allah's promise that He will never break. On the other hand, hell and punishment is Allah's threat, not a promise. He may resend it, if He wish. On the last day, if Allah decides for those deserving hell, to instead commit to death, then that it is His prerogative, because hell is not His promise, but a threat. Allah will never commit injustice. It is stated in Qur'an, that on the Day of Judgment people will be astonished to see that Allah never commits even a minor injustice.